Alright, working on polishing my caps. So after trying to get the dents out of them, this is the first one I polished. Some of the scratches, I think it turned out pretty darn good. So I've got 3 more to do. You can see a dent right there. So I'll work on that one too as well. After I polish it, you can see more stuff, but I think it turned out pretty good. And then I've got this 3 over here, so I'll need to finish. So this one here is the worst one here. You can see all the big scratches and stuff on it. So I'm gonna pause this and see how I can clean this one up. All right, I got the one that was the worst one. Yeah, turned out all right. You can see a lot of the scratches still, which is expected. But either way, the goal, if you have something like this and you have scratches in there, the goal is to polish the scratch and get the debris and stuff that's out of it. That's kind of what I did. So I had just hand polishing the stuff I've been using before and all the chrome and the other videos I have. So I got the steel wool, got my polish, and then a little bit of 600 sandpaper for the really rough stuff, and then to really get some elbow grease in it, I just have polishing wheel. And that's kind of it. So I've got my other 2 to do, so I'll work on those. Both of those are a little better condition. So yeah, that's it, dude. So I'll continue with these, and then if I just happen to come online somewhere where there's some decent ones that are used for sale, I'll probably end up buying them, because some of these are this one in particular is all messed up. But anyway, it's good. In the meantime, I'll polish these up, and that's it.